2026 Global Sustainability Workshop, a landmark event organized by GreenVestas Strategies in partnership with the Institute of Chartered Accountants and the Global Reporting Initiative. The chosen stage, the magnificent city of Cape Town, South Africa. The journey began with an overwhelming response. Over 140 people expressing interest to attend, signaling the global appetite for sustainability leadership. Custom souvenirs were crafted to mark the occasion. Branded tags, t-shirts, diaries, pens, and mugs. A tangible reminder of what participants were part of. On Sunday the 26th, the delegation departed Accra aboard Ethiopian Airlines, beginning a journey that was as much about experience as it was about knowledge. A night in Addis Ababa offered delegates an unexpected bonus, a two-city tour with Ethiopia's vibrant capital as the first destination before Cape Town beckoned. Days 1 and 2 in Cape Town were dedicated entirely to the conference, a platform for bold ideas, cross-sector dialogue, and reimagining what sustainable business looks like in practice. Day 3 brought sustainability to life. A visit to Spear Wine Farm offered a first-hand look at regenerative agriculture, where the principles discussed in the conference hall took root in the soil. Lunch at Vedas, the farm's own restaurant, offered a moment of warmth and community amid the learning. The afternoon opened into a full city tour. Bo-Kaap, Table Mountain, Signal Hill. Cape Town revealing herself in all her beauty. And from Signal Hill, one landmark stood out above the rest. Robben Island, visible on the horizon. A powerful reminder of resilience, sacrifice, and the long road to justice. A fitting reflection for a gathering committed to a better future. The workshop also celebrated impact. Awards were presented to deserving institutions, recognizing those leading the charge in sustainability, accountability, and global reporting.
In fact, we had a lot of experience. I myself have elections there, but the program that they put up, the analysis that they did, it worked that every Ghanaian should start attending such programs.
So personally, when I go to Ghana, my husband has his own business too. I'm going to share all the experiences, what makes businesses collapse and all those things, so that he puts in checks and balances.
I didn't waste my money. My expectations have been met. I've learned a lot. I've got to know that sustainability is not only about sustaining what we have. It's not about the environment. That's where our mind was. But it's also about social life, even our employees, how we work with them. It's about governance, how we manage so that we'll be able to sustain what we have established, and to go into perpetuity.
On Friday, the delegation began the journey home. Cape Town to Addis, one final night at the elegant Skylight Hotel within the airport, then onward to Accra.
The 2026 Global Sustainability Workshop was more than an event. It was a movement of minds, of miles, and of meaningful change.